Good afternoon, everyone. So, today's topic is my idea of happy life. So, what do you mean by happy life? So, listening about this topic, you might think like happy life means a stress free life, or a joyful life, or a blissful life. However, a happy life is not just restricted to these terms. A happy life means when one is stress free, has lot of time to appreciate things, has lot of time to express gratitude towards something or towards someone. So according to me, happy life is when one finds joy in his own work, appreciates himself or herself, or even be it anyone for the efforts undertaken or for doing a good deed. However, a happy life is not earned by causing trouble to anyone. So, for living a happy life, one must always remember that to be happy, you must not just keep yourself happy, you must also keep others happy, express gratitude, and always be thankful to whatever you receive or whatever anyone gives you. So, thank you and have a great day. So, good afternoon, everyone. You might be wondering what would I be speaking about today. So, today my topic is drones in the Indian corporate world. So, whenever you think about drones, what do you first imagine? Sir, madam, any guesses? Okay, so let me end the suspense here. So, a drone is a flying object or machine that can be controlled using a remote control device for various purposes such as monitoring crop growth, sprinkling pesticides, delivery of goods, for clicking photos and videos during various corporate events, wedding functions, parties, and so on. So, drones have evolved over the drones have evolved a lot till date. Earlier, a drone was just a piece of toy which kids used to buy for their pleasure. However, nowadays a drone is not just a toy. It is used for various purposes like clicking photos or even videos during wedding functions, corporate events, or for sprinkling pesticides, monitoring crop growth, guarding areas where less manual intervention is required, such as data centers, and for various other purposes. Imagine you want to buy something and you want it delivered in just a fraction of a few hours. So you would either go personally to a local store or may ask a delivery agent such as Amazon or Flipkart to deliver it by just ordering online. And the delivery partner, that is Amazon or Flipkart, will just mount your product on the drone and will deliver it to your location, and the same will collect your cash or collect your OTP details while doing the delivery of the product. So one of the best examples of drone, that is an advertisement that I had recently seen, was about Idea Internet, that is IIN, where a boy is deemed to be useless by his father just because he failed to crack IIT. However, when he was forced to, after failing to clear IIT, when he was forced to look after his father's bakery, so he invented a drone which could help in just remotely delivering some products within a fraction of a few minutes. His father was also amazed. So you may observe that how drone has helped a small bakery shop owner to deliver goods in just a fraction of minutes. So drones have proven to be a great advantage in both as a toy as well as in the corporate world. Thank you and have a great day ahead.